In this video, I will show you how to deactivate my Instagram account twice a week. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on these three lines right here and then search for deactivation or deletion of account. Now, if we want to deactivate our account, let's say right here, this is a temporary procedure. So if we deactivate our account, we can only have it once a week. So I have deactivated my account for the past week, and I will be able to try again after a day or so. Now, in order for you to deactivate your account twice a week, all you have to do is to delete your account. Let's hit continue right here, and then find the reason why you want to delete Instagram. Hit continue. Type in your password right here. Now, as you can see, to permanently delete my account, I have to wait until July 28th and not log back in for that date. So all I have to do to recover my account or deactivate my account on Instagram for twice a week, all I have to do is to wait for a week or so of this deletion of account and then go back and log in my account like usual, and I can deactivate my account after that. So it's like I have deleted my account, I have deactivated my account for 1 week, and then deactivated my account for the second week. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!